Hi guys, welcome back. So right in today's video, I'll be putting you through the step by step on how you can create your WhatsApp profile link. Okay, so using this method is for both WhatsApp business and your normal WhatsApp. So when you follow this process, you're just gonna get your profile link without your number attached to the link. Okay, so let's get to it. So first you have to open your browser, WhatsApp profile link, and then it will take you to this features. Then you click on create WhatsApp link. Okay, so when you click on create WhatsApp link, you can see options like create a free wire link, create a promo wire link, open WhatsApp chat. So here we are going to create a free WhatsApp link. Just tap on create free WhatsApp link, and then right here you type in your number. Okay, just remove if you're in Nigeria, you just have to remove the first 0 and then type in the number. Right, so you just have to type in the number and then scroll down and click on generate my WhatsApp link. Okay, this is your WhatsApp short. You can see this is your WhatsApp short link. Just scroll down, you can see copy link. Click on copy link and it has been copied. So let's get to WhatsApp. So I'm going to paste it somewhere. I'm going to paste the link here. Okay, so this is the link. I'll paste it. So to know if this is truly your WhatsApp link, I'm going to tap on this link. When you tap on the link, it's going to take me to my profile. So this is my profile. This is my business account. Okay, so this is the perfect way to do this. When you look at the link, you're not seeing anything like my number or something of that. So this is just the perfect way to copy your WhatsApp profile link. Then you can start sharing on your profile or wherever place you want to share, or if you're doing business. This is a perfect way to do it. The link is not even long, it's just a short link.